What song is that?
Grandma.
Which one?
Yes.
Which song?
And if my life could have rewind.
So I'm just reaching like 15 minutes ago. It's now 5 minutes after 7. I'm just mixing the celery, beets, beetroot, snacks, not much. Mostly healthy stuff here. So kale. I'm getting chicken wings. I was not playing. Cucumber right just spinach, the salt mackerel, carrot. Wasn't a lot, maybe buy enough stuff. Yeah, breadfruit. I'm gonna do some juicing right now with the greens. Yeah, and I want pineapple. I'll try this, but not now. I tried this. I used this last night, so I'm gonna use it again. I figured out how to put the stuff on. Put it like that. I just had it. Like, don't do that to me because I'm recording. Don't do that. Yeah. I'm gonna cut on my pineapple. And this is the juice I did last night. So
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they pack.
fall in New York. It's the colors of the trees for me. I'm not gonna move. I love when the leaves fall from the tree. It's nice out here today. It's like 60 degrees. Cross. But look at that Kimmy and see this on sale though.
Look how much it is. 200 pesos. 200 is on sale. Hopefully they have my size. They sold my 32. I was crying, bro. These look different. What are these? Oh, Converses? They're Converses. Different Converses. That's different. Look at yeah. That's different. I would never wear those. I don't want to get these though. I'm gonna try these on. They got the fucking thing right here. I'm gonna try these on. It's so soft. See-through, but I mean you gotta wear socks with it, but that's not bad. What's this? This is 100. I have something like this. I don't even wear it. I need to sell these. I need to sell them. I don't really like them. I'm in Five Below. I got a booty band. This one I had on it, a brick. So they have these. And they have the Jillian Michaels one. And I have this one over here. So they have different types, but if I use this one every day, I'm gonna use it, and it was working. So, you know, I don't want to anklets. But look what I see. Look on this. The bottles. for $5. That Amazon be sending for crazy. Like, come on. I think I want one though, because I have a bottle already, but I feel like this could definitely, I could track my water intake with this for sure. I think I should get one. I think I'm gonna get one. Why not, right? Ain't no blue's my color, so yeah. Period.
They finally put a seating area over here. There's one down there too. Halloween City. I'm not going in there because I don't do Halloween. So yeah. I guess it's just open because this was over here. Models. Models over here. They're changing up downtown. Look at the restaurant open, Imani Grill. It's open. But I heard on TikTok it's expensive for no reason because it don't even taste that good. That's what they said. I never had it, so I don't know. Can't really eat what I want to eat right now in there. I gotta wait. My mouth is better, but not fully. The side is still sore. It's still stitches is still there, so I can't really eat on the right side. Where's the GNC? Why do I have a GNC down here somewhere? They move it. Oh damn! I think it was that way. I thought it was down here. He crazy. Oh yeah, I saw a girl on the bus. I saw a girl on the bus in a Halloween costume. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm going to Trader Joe's. That's why I came down here. The sun is out over there. It's always looking like I wear my glasses for no reason, but the sun is up. It's okay. See the sun? I thought I was recording. Oh my gosh, I was not recording. I hate that for me. Damn. I was saying some oil smelled good and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Crap. Who's he supposed to be? I guess it's, who is this, Winnie the Pooh?
I'm so tempted to get, like, oh, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It looks good as hell. It's a butterscotch though. This one was 190 calories. Man. I'm not quite for now. The hell. Hey, that was $2.99. Number 2 market that was $3.99? No, honey. Look at this. Good price. It's like 2 in there. That's it. Oh, man. Ooh, pork dumplings. Pork and ginger. Spring rolls. I'm looking at the price of these stuff, but it makes no sense. What is this? Organic mustard. I don't even like mustard like that.
This is a quinoa I tried last time and I did not like it.
Let's see, they have one over here. Oh, they got a red one, and they have the tricolor one right here. But I think I'm gonna just use boba because I don't really like the texture of quinoa. I really don't. And I used to love this rice, and I have dozen rice home already, so I'm not even gonna buy my rice right now. Yeah.
Oh god, I didn't get much stuff. So I'm here prepping. I have mushroom and cauliflower. I have salmon right here. I put some sweet chili sauce on it that I got from Walmart. I have the brown rice right here. Yeah, I'm just prepping right now. don't got time to cook tomorrow. You come forward. I don't have time. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna try this coconut water that I bought from Trader Joe's. So, hopefully it tastes good. Oh, it's so fancy. Here we go with dog barking again. How does this work? What the hell? So look this up. Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh, it's very big. The hole is very big. I don't really like it like that. No, it's alright. It's honestly not given, but I'm gonna drink it. I'm not wasting it. So my salmon is looking. It's 416. This is the cauliflower and the mushroom. I want to put some chickpeas in there. That's because I want to, you know, just eat with vegetables.
Anybody came out, oh y'all thought was too good. Y'all think, you know, I mean, I thought about this earlier. Someone like cheese.
Today is Tuesday. No, I'm bugged. Today Wednesday. November 2nd. Sky bank because I need to go to the bank. In my car. My new bank card now. I need a little cash. I don't know how to walk on with cash, but I want croissants. The little carts right there, they sell croissants. Hey, let me just pay rent. Just say, hey, I'm broke. No, not say that out loud. I'm rich. I'm rich. Sun hot today, man. Oh, the sun is beaming today. Child. That's why I'm come outside and I'm a jean jacket because sun hot. Bad. I gotta take this off my head now. I'm slowly updating my phone to the iOS 16, but I'm liking this new screen thing. Like when you play the music and they show how I like how it's showing the screen. I'm just liking it. I'm liking everything. I didn't really go through it yet, but I'm like, oh, this is what I was missing out this whole time. But anywho, oh child, oh no, hold on a minute now. I think I put too much damn. I hate when I do that. Let me go over and fix it. Let me go back. I croissants on this little thing right here. I bought it from last time. This little. I don't want a muffin. I want croissant. What is that bagel? What is the croissant again? Bagel with butter croissant. What are croissants? $2. I get two. I'm hungry. Even though I have oatmeal, but I'm hungry, man. I had a hot water with lemon before I left out. That's all I drink.
You can take a mouse. That's okay.
No, I'm alright. Morning, can I have 2 croissants, please? Oh, they have boiled egg too? Yeah, I'll just keep that. That donut looks so good. Thank you. So how are we doing COVID testing? And this man gonna tell me to take my mask off.
Mind your damn motherfucking business, bitch!
First of all, mind your business. People just, I'm gonna eat one with my oatmeal. I'm not gonna eat both of them. That's greediness. You wanna make it on time for work? I got like 8 minutes or 6 minutes, and I'm right here. So yeah, I'll fix my hair when I go to work. A ponytail. Ooh, hungry. Hot water with lemon just make me feel more hungry than anything. But that's why I'm greedy and feel sick. I'm supposed to buy 2 croissants. Today Wednesday, 2 more days. Even though we just come and go work yesterday, I don't care. 2 more days. Shit. And I'm gonna see my papa.
And then $600.
In 3 days. My baby. My Pookie. I cannot get over how Kemani going up too damn fast for me, man. Oh yeah, I was going to tell y'all yesterday. The UPS driver, so that truck right there, the white truck right there, and the UPS driver was on truck. They was arguing. They was about to get in a fight. I was like, oh, really? The other guy was the older guy. The one in the white truck, and the other one was younger. People were like, no, we can't let you fight him, man. Oh yeah, but they was about to go at it. Alright, that was some later. How big this is for $2? How can I even see it? It is huge. Nobody talk about the Stairmaster. Fuck the treadmill. The Stairmaster, that shit is the devil. Whew. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Oh my god. This is dangerous. A friggin' quick core, comfortable calories. This shit is dangerous. No lie. It's burn calories so quick. The treadmill not have nothing upon this. Hold on.
And if my life could have rewind, and if my life could have rewind, without money, no gold can buy a company. No, without money, you alone confess your love to me. Yeah, without money, no gold can buy a company. No, without money, you alone. Me could do buy cornflakes, so when me do fry fritters. Remember when you have a one slippers, nothing I want, but you still never cut like scissors. Soul caregivers with me fans. But any day me rich, me I tell you me nah let you fi gold diggers. I could a million brown in million diggers. You a fi sit down in the beamers. Me get a dream last night.
Try it. Try it. Drink it. I come back to this place and they got an eyelash thing in here for lashes. That's cool. Somebody business a free promo because I'm good like that. Come to Kemani. Oh, they do everything. Hair braiding, hair styling, wig install. Whew, this was free. So listen, I'm telling y'all, y'all better use these apps, these fast food apps. McDonald's, Burger King, every app. Wendy's, all them. Well, I never use Wendy's, but see what they got in here.
Brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick. lord. I ramp with my mother food. Spanish town. Foreign account. Bang a phone. Couple other phone. They think can't too loud. But I'm a clock boot fast and move out. On a school bus. The young I move like when I shoot gun. Yeah, my gun. Which part of the union? Look more at the studio. I grade from a gun where the moon go. Them no say the east crime if it's true enough. I represent the east side. Ooh, yeah.
Federal Trade Commission says Jamaican scammers are still calling unsuspecting people in the US, claiming they've won millions. But of course, they're asking them to send a fee to release the winnings.
Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. 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 When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. I ramp with my mother food, one bag of account. Foreign account, bang a phone. Couple other phone, you say GG, Johnston, long a ton. No man have one phone. And a ton, baritone, crossroad, bang a phone. Couple other phone.
So I do this window shop. I mean, if you don't window shop, you don't know what you want. Like, there's a point of shopping. You just go in the store, see if you something in there you want, and then the window shop. I mean, and then you buy after the window shop. You're going to FYE as always, because this little boy is dragging me here. Again. You don't want the water? Throw it away if you don't want it. Trash right here. You want it? Do you want it? All he drink is water. He did not want to juice. He tastes this because he was looking at him. Like, you want to taste it? Oh, Track 23 have more stuff. I gotta go back in there again. They got jeans on sale for $10.
They don't have it, Papa. Come over here. Probably on this side. Look, they got Bob Marley. Bob Marley, Trouble, no more.
Jackson.
You want it?
Yes.
Let me see. Oh, that's not bad. See? It's $30. That's not bad. Something like this he got. Well, I know it's not that one because his father is cheap just like me. So he's not going to buy this expensive one. But this is what he got with these things. Papa, relax. I'm not going to take it from you. You think I'm going to take it from him? Let's go fix it and get out of here. Hello.
Hey, hello, man. What's up,
I'm good. Some championship is on sale, but some of them is colorful as hell. Let me show you. We're giving tie-dye. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. And then of these, yeah, we in black too. Black and gold.
I told him to sit down. I'm waiting on something. Who took her out?
Yeah, these North Face too. All these are $10. Look, $10. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Just looking. Honey, look. Come here. You like these? No, these are red ones. I want to just show you. Where's the black one? I just saw the black one. They have different colors. Purple. Where the black? I just saw the black one. This one. I don't know about that. But can't beat it for $10, right? And I'm leaving out the door and I see this. I didn't even see this when I came in. But they got these Puma tops for $10. And they have some shorts back here. I just saw a medium just now. I feel like this could fit. It's looking a little big, but I feel like it could fit. Okay. See what they have in this place. Even though I don't need no more fragrance. This. Oh, look at that. They got Riri. They got Riri. All of the other stuff is right there. I'm not sure if they have what I think called. They got all the Rihanna perfume. I'm not that someone to this. Even though I don't need it. Tory Burch. They got a whole lot of perfume in here. Perfume in here.
You get them all your sneakers. You can get them all dirty.
Dior. Chabot. I need to go to Macy's. That's where I need to go. Get me a nice. Riri. I never tried this herbal flower. I never tried it before. I'm gonna test it. See how it smells. Oh, somebody come up here. Like, busy. But yeah, I got a little something, you know. Pretty much something. A little something for me. I mean, it's on sale. You can't beat a sale. Once you want to pull up on a sale, well, a reasonable price sale, I should say. $10 sale. You can't pass that. Yeah, they have sale in there. So, but I don't really need much stuff. I just wear those shirts I can wear in the gym. Where'd you go? There's only one person in here, bro. Listen, I updated my phone the other day, right? And I didn't, my settings didn't, you know, I didn't like go back in the settings and take some of the notifications or whatever. But something told me to click on Snapchat. And why did I get a message from my ex? Like, why are you still writing me? Like, move on, because I have. It's been 2 years. Move on. Like, I'm over it, bro. You're insane. Sometimes the devil send back your exes to see if you have big idiots. And I am not one. So stay away there. Yeah. Stay over there. Once you pick a side with me, just stay where you at. I go for everybody. Okay? Once you choose somebody else over me, stay where you're at. Like, just stay where you are, because you come back over here just embarrassing to yourself. Yeah. Oh, see the rogue right there. I don't even see that one. That's one I have. That's one I have on right now. But yeah, I'm like, why is he texting me? I turned to my friend like, girl, why is this nigga still texting me? Talking about, I'm gonna tell you what he says. Talking about, good afternoon, sweethearts. Hope all is well, and hopefully we can, what do you say? Bro. Reconnect for better understanding.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Anyways. I ain't reply because who you talking to me? People like let the alley one read because yeah. You get no response from me. I don't reply to exes. That's me. I don't reply to exes. Big ignore that. Oh, they're right there. Riri. I'm about to come to money because this place is, I'm not staying. I'm about to come back another time when I come up here because this man is busy. And he's the only one in there. I don't got time. Come here, maybe a bee. Come. Anyways, we out this mall. You don't like the green juice. Drink it, baby. Finish it up. It's celery, lemon, and cucumber. You're not finished. Finish it up. I'll drink half, you drink half. I cleanse you out. Come on, hurry up, boy. What are you about to do?
Good.
You're almost done. Go ahead. Why are you putting it all the way down there? Finish it. You got this. The longer you take, the longer you finish. So yeah.
Don't squash the bread.
Go ahead, Papa. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. You got this. Keep going. It's not even sour. We could take the lemon.
Same.
Finish it, Papa.
Yeah.
Drink up. All of it. Okay, I'm putting it back in. Good boy. Listen, if he could eat some cookies, he could drink some green juice. And I'm gonna give him some more when he come over here for Christmas too. That was his first time trying it. So, yeah. Of course, he a kid. He's not gonna like it. So, whatever. Good job. He do not like it. Why is he looking at me like that?
Say it.
Hey, look, take the napkin and wipe your mouth. Napkin. He looking at me like he want to hit me. We fast food. You want to start drinking some green juice with me. Now me come up in Walmart and see celery for like what? Is it the right price? I hope this is the right price because I'm not. Don't play with me like this. Cause I'm picking up like 3 bags. I'll put one bag in the cart already. 98 cents. I need the greenest one ever. I'll pick up 4. I'll pick up the greenest ones. That's just fine because I need them. Got the turkeys out. I don't really eat turkey, but I'm just showing y'all. I mean, no more. I had it a few times, but I don't really, not my thing. I rather chicken. Okay. Just found this one last almond milk for 94 cents. I have one left. I'm looking at this one, but I never tried it before, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. Yeah. I'm gonna just get this one. Like what? What in the hell? Walmart got everything. This is with Cinnabon, bro. Wow. Walmart got every freaking thing. Rice Krispies. Love this color of the trees. I love it. I'm gonna add it in the fridge. So yeah, it's starting to spoil. But we kept it. It's finished. There it is.